Hello student, we are going to learn construction practice lab. In construction practice lab, experiment number 6, construct 1.5 brick thick pillar to a height of 1 meter cement mortar. Aim to construct 1.5 brick thick pillar in English bond. Material required brick mortar. Tools required trowel, split level, plumb box, mason square. Procedure. The site is cleaned up with help of spade. Water is sprinkled over the cleaned site. Bricks are immersed in water before using. Prepare mix of cement mortar 1:3, 1:5 and 1:6. Let the cement mortar 10 to 50 mm thick on the prepared surface with the width equal to width of a wall to be constructed. The construction of a wall is carried out by leveling. Periodically, the suitable gaps are provided not more than 20 mm and filled with a mortar. The vertical of the wall with the help of plumb bob during construction. The corner is checked for a right angle for each course by mason square. Plan of 1.5 brick thick pillar in English bond. So, calculation. Volume of brickwork is equal to length into breadth into height. So, length 0.3 into 0.2 into 1. So, volume is 0.06 meter cube. Number of brick required is volume of brickwork divided by volume of single brick with a mortar. So, volume of brickwork is 0.06 divided by volume of single brick with a mortar is 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.1. So number of brick is 30. Additional 5% extra bricks for a wastage. So 5 divided by 100 into 30. So we are got two numbers of bricks. So total number of bricks required is equal to volume of brick plus 5% of volume of brick. So 30 plus 2. So number of bricks are required to be construct a pillar 32 numbers. As I mentioned, the cement mortar is 1:3, 1:5 and 1:6. So volume of mortar is equal to volume of brickwork minus number of bricks into volume of single brick is equal to volume of brickwork is 0.06 minus number of bricks is 32 into volume of single brick is 0.19 into 0.09 into 0.09. So volume of mortar is 0.0107 meter cube. Additional 40% extra for a frog filling and wastage for a dry volume. Dry volume of mortar is volume of mortar plus 40% of volume of mortar is equal to volume of mortar is 0.107 plus 0.0107 into 40 divided by 100. So dry volume of mortar is 0.0149 meter cube. Quantity of cement is quantity of cement is 1:6. 1 part of cement, 6 part of sand. So quantity of cement in kgs, dry volume of cement into density of cement. So 1 part of cement divided by total number of part of cement mortar is divided by 7 into 0.0149 into density of cement 1440. So quantity of cement in kgs is 3.065 kgs. Quantity of sand in kgs is equal to dry volume of a cement into density of sand. So 6 part of sand divided by 7 into 0.0149 into 1600 is our density of sand. So quantity of sand is in kgs 20.434 kgs. Thank you.